Hello, my name is Jeff Shaffer, and I'm here at the University of Cincinnati. I am the Chief Operating Officer and Vice President of Information Technology and Analytics at a company here in Cincinnati. I've been teaching now at UC since 2012. I've had over 1,600 students. What's interesting about that is that it's now expanded beyond just analytics students. But I've also had MBA students, engineering, marketing. I've even had 3 students that are working on their master's in fine arts from the College Conservatory of Music. And I think that's interesting. What drew me to teach at UC, besides the fact that I have a passion for data visualization, is that around that time in 2012, I really started to notice that the skill of data visualization was being really sought after and has now become a field in and of its own. In class, we tend to look at all sorts of different visualizations. I like to use data about Cincinnati. For example, the snow plows when they're clearing the snow in Cincinnati, or the cell phone towers in Cincinnati and the location of that. They start by hand drawing data onto a postcard. Maybe the average week in Banna Life, which is always fun. That's the business analytics degree program and what they spend their time doing, to another student who visualized the colors of her closet, her wardrobe, and did a hand sewn visualization on a card about the colors of her wardrobe. Other students' projects, they start working in Tableau early on and work with fun data sets. In some instances, maybe they'll visualize the sightings of UFOs in the country, or maybe something more serious where they look at the cost of tuition in public universities and how that's growing over time. One of my former students, Danushki, who now works for me as a business intelligence analyst and does data visualization, last year she won first prize in the Women in Analytics Data Visualization Contest. And UC actually took first and second prize in those competitions. But Danushki did a terrific visualization, visualizing the women in Cincinnati in their jobs, what job roles they have, and in the different areas. She looked at it by age, she looked at it by race, she looked at it by job type, and really did a beautiful visualization showing all that, and found some interesting things too, that the highest paid employee in Cincinnati was actually a woman. And then she also found interesting trends with the firefighters in that data. When I think about why I teach at UC, the biggest thing for me is watching the students develop, to see now years later that some of my former students are actually working in the field, and that's fun.